We are going to continue Python list comprehension tutorial. In the first tutorial, we solved for loop questions. And in these for loop questions, we made a new list iterating over a given list. And this was only for loop list comprehension. And the second part of the tutorial, we will do for loop list comprehension plus if statements, if else statements. Let's start these questions. The first 5 questions were here in this for loop, and now we have questions 6, 7, 8, and 9. And here, let's start with the question 6, string parsing. And our string is correlation 1, data science for all. And here, we want to parse this string and get only the digits, only the numbers from this string. How do we do this? We do string. This is our string, right? Let's copy and paste this here. And our list is going to contain only 1 and 4. We will iterate over the string and take if that element or that item in the string is digit. Or we do it in this way. Item or item in string if item is digit. Yeah, 1 and 4. We just forgot this dot here. If item is digit. This is our answer. And let's start the other question. Question 7, divisibility. And make a list that contains numbers between 1 and 50, which are divisible by 3. This is our output. This is going to be our output. What's our input? A range between 1 and 50. Okay, let's solve this question. Number for number in range. Let's first write 50. Number for number in range 50. If number can be divided by 3. When you divide this number by 3, if the result is, if there's not a remainder, then yeah, here is our result. But the output should start with 3, right? So let's put here, let's start this one with 50, and then this is our result, number for number. Instead of number, you can use whatever you want. Put here an X if you like these, but I usually because here also X. Okay, this. Okay, this is our list. Okay, the second question, if else question. Look at the order here. X for X in range this, if something. But here we will write them in a different order. Make a list that contains even numbers and none for odd numbers. Okay, we will have even numbers, and instead of odd numbers, we will have a none. Okay, let's start this by number for number if. Let's first delete this. Number if number can be divided by 2, none else none for number in range 20. Let's see what this will give us. Look at this number. If number can be divided by 0, divided by 2, else put none. Let's print this to see it much easier. It will look better. Okay. We print number and we print none. We print number, we print none. If we want instead of this none, we can put odd. Why not? Number, odd, number, odd. Okay, this question is solved. Instead of number, you can put, if you want here, if you want, you can write here even. Even, odd, even, odd. This is how numbers are coming, right? Okay. The last question, question 9, this is also an if-else question. Given a list, we have this list. For numbers above 10 inclusive, add 5. And for numbers less than 10, subtract 2. Okay, let's solve this question. We have a list 5, 20, minus 42, 6, 10, 53, minus 1. Okay, then we do this. Instead of number, we can use x here. X, we add 5, right? X plus 5 for x plus 5 if x is bigger than or equal to, because 10 inclusive, 10, else x minus 2. For x in where? In this list. Here in this one. For x in this. Let's see if we have the true list. Yes. Minus 2 plus 5, minus 2 plus 5, like this. Okay. These are our 4 questions in list comprehension. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.